In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Jotform. First things first, let's talk about what Jotform is. Imagine you need to gather information from people, maybe you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or just collecting contact details. Jotform is this fantastic online tool that lets you create forms for all these purposes and more without needing to write a single line of code. Today, we're not just going to create a form, I'll show you how to share it with the world. We start our journey by visiting the Jotform website. Type in your browser jotform.com, and you'll be greeted with what can only be described as the gateway to simplifying your data collection process. Jotform's homepage is pretty straightforward. It showcases various templates and services it offers, but our first step is to access your personal space within Jotform. Look for the login button, usually positioned at the top right of the page. A simple click will get you one step closer to the heart of your form management. When you click on login, you'll notice various options to proceed. For those of you who've already intertwined your life with Google's ecosystem or another platform, you'll find the option to continue with Google particularly convenient. Select the most appropriate method for you and authenticate yourself. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Forms page. This is your dashboard, the command center for all your forms. Each form you've crafted or are drafting lives here. But let's not get sidetracked because we have a mission to publish a form. Navigate through your collection of forms and select the one you wish to share with the world. Hovering over the form will reveal an Edit Form button. Click it. Here's where the magic begins. With your form open in the editor, you'll notice a Publish tab. This little tab is your gateway to sharing your form with anyone, anywhere. Go ahead and click on Publish. Once in the Publish section, you'll see various options to share your form, but for simplicity and versatility, let's go with the most straightforward method. The direct link. Look for a button or option that says Copy Link. With a click, the link to your form is now memorized by your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere you deem fit. Want to share it on social media? Easy. Need to embed it in an email? No problem. The world is now your oyster, with your form as the pearl. But before you rush off to paste this link into every corner of the internet, let's take a moment. Think about where this form will have the most impact. Consider your audience. Where do they hang out online? What platforms do they use? The beauty of a direct link is its flexibility, but its power lies in strategic placement. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about submitting, or in this case, publishing and sharing a Jotform. It's a simple process, but the implications are vast. Each form has the potential to connect, gather, and organize information in ways that can significantly impact your personal or professional projects. Remember, the key to effective form sharing isn't just in the creation or even in the publishing, it's in the strategic dissemination of that link. Whether it's embedded in an email, shared on social media, or placed on a website, each form you create and share is an opportunity to connect and collect valuable data. So go ahead, give it a try. Jotform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, empowering you to collect information efficiently and effectively. And remember, every great journey starts with a simple step, or in our case, a simple click. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to submit a Jotform. Whether you're a seasoned pro or this is your first foray into online forms, I hope this guide has illuminated the path forward. Here's to collecting data and making connections in the simplest ways possible. Happy form making.